Have you ever wondered what it would be like to set foot on the moon? What if we told you that we are closer than ever to making that dream a reality for more than just a handful of astronauts? Welcome to the story of the Artemis program, a daring initiative by NASA that aims to not only return humans to the moon, but also establish a sustainable presence there. The Artemis program began as a new exploration campaign by NASA with a lofty goal: landing the first woman and the next man on the moon by 2024. But the program's ambitions don't stop there. It seeks to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon by the end of the decade, serving as a stepping stone to even more audacious ventures, such as crewed missions to Mars. In order to make these dreams a reality, the Artemis program involves the development of several key components. The Space Launch System, or SLS, a powerful rocket designed to carry astronauts and payloads to the moon, is one of them. The Orion spacecraft, a next-generation vehicle that will transport the astronauts from Earth to the moon, is another. But the Artemis program is not just about getting to the moon, it's about staying there. That's where the Gateway Lunar Outpost comes in. This small spaceship will stay in lunar orbit, serving as a home where astronauts can live and work. It will also act as a docking station for the Orion spacecraft and lunar landers, which will transport astronauts to and from the moon's surface. Since its inception, the Artemis program has been making steady progress. The uncrewed Artemis 1 mission, launched from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida, marked NASA's return to the lunar surface as a stepping stone towards Mars exploration. This mission tested the Space Launch System rocket, Orion spacecraft, and gathered data on radiation exposure and space environment for future missions. Fast forward to November 2024, the Artemis 2 mission is set to make history by sending astronauts beyond the moon, potentially further than any human has traveled before. The crew for this historic lunar flyby includes NASA astronauts Reid Wiseman, Victor Glover, and Christina Koch, along with Jeremy Hansen from the Canadian Space Agency. The Artemis program is more than just a series of missions. It's a symbol of humanity's insatiable curiosity and our relentless drive to explore the unknown. It's about paving the way for establishing a permanent lunar outpost and eventually sending humans to Mars. It's about expanding our horizons and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In essence, the Artemis program is a testament to our determination to learn, explore, and ultimately, to make the universe our home. From the Space Launch System and Orion spacecraft to the Gateway Lunar Outpost and lunar landers, every element of the program brings us one step closer to this grand vision. So next time you gaze up at the moon, remember this: the Artemis program is hard at work, making the dream of lunar exploration and colonization a reality. The future of space exploration is here, and it's more exciting than ever.